If you take care of your fryer, it will take care of you by not having interruptions throughout your day and avoiding some of those costly service calls. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 simple things that you will have to do every 90 days. The first thing to do for your 90-day maintenance is to replace your O-rings. To remove the old O-rings, use a small screwdriver like this and then roll on the 3 new O-rings, part number 175860, and lubricate them with some fresh oil. By replacing these O-rings on a regular basis, it keeps them from wearing to the point air seeps by them where all you see is air bubbles in the vat instead of oil pumping. The second part of the 90-day maintenance is to tighten the heater hardware on electric fryer vats. To do this, drain the oil using the drain to pan option in the oil and filter menu. Allow time for the vat to cool and then tighten the element hardware. Just make sure that the screws are snug and make sure not to over tighten. If there is any heating element hardware missing on your elements, make sure to replace them. To find your part numbers, go to parts.hennypennyhelp.com. Well, that's all there is to it. And now you can feel good because by tightening this hardware and replacing those O-rings every 90 days, you can help avoid some of those costly service calls and keep your uptime high.